Hi, my name's Steve. Today we're going to be taking a look at the leather touring trunk and the Hammer series bags by Viking bags. These are attached right now to a Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic LT. Installation is really simple for both the bag and the saddlebags. I didn't actually use the original hardware that they sent, although it was very good hardware. I'll show you here. The hardware in the middle here, this is the hardware that came with the trunk. I had a different situation, so I didn't use that. The boxes here are what comes with the saddlebags. Of course, with the Vulcan 900, they already have saddlebags, so I just used the existing mounts and made 3 holes, and on she went, and that was pretty much it. Everything's lockable. Fiberglass, not ABS. All of it's lined. Very, very well made. The bags. The bags are lockable. One thing I like about the bags is there's no latches and straps that you have to deal with like was with the factory bags. There is a Velcro on both sides and a latch on the front. Inside there is a small pouch there to keep keys or cell phones or whatever in it. Bags are made really well. They mount up really good. They look great. Very pleased with both items. For the price, you just absolutely can't beat it. So if you're on the fence or thinking about getting some Viking bags or whatever, man, jump on it. They are as good as anything out there at a better price.